All right, boys and girls, story number 16, lesson number 1. All right, so what are we going to do? We are going to build words. That's right. And we are still working on the short E sound. Eh, as in elephant. Whoops, there's elephant right there. Okay. And we have the uppercase E, capital E, and the lowercase e. As in elephant. All right, so let's go ahead and build our words. All right. Okay. We are going to start off with putting an E with a D, and we get ed. Add a B and you get bed. All right, we take away the B, replace it with an F, and we get this word. We get fed. Take away the F, replace it with an R, and we get the word red. All of these 3 words rhyme. They sound alike. Bed, fed, and red. All right, now, instead of having a D at the end, we're going to have an N. So we're going to have E-N, which is pronounced what? How do you pronounce it? N. Let's add a D, and we get den. All right, and let's take away the D, replace it with an M, and we have men. And let's take away the N, replace it with a T, and we get the word 10. The number 10. The number word 10. All right, now let's take away the N, replace it with a T. We get ET, which is et. Add a G, and you get. Replace the G with a P, and you get pet. Replace the P with an S, and you get set. Replace the S with a J, and you get jet. Add an S at the end of jet. Now you have jets. Jet refers to one. Jets refers to more than one. All right, we also have the same names we had from the previous story. And we're going to go back over those names. We have K-I-T, and we get kit. And then we have, well, actually it wasn't kit. It was Ken last time. Yep, it was Ken. Now we have a kit, but we have the same name from the other story, which was Vic. And I don't know if Vic is the same character or not, since Kit obviously is not. Kit's a different person. But we have Kit and we have Vic. So we'll find out if Vic is the same character from the previous story. Okay. So let's go back over these. We have bed, Ted, red. These words rhyme. They sound alike. Den, men, 10. These words rhyme. They sound alike. Get, pet, set, jet. Jet rhymes with these words. And then, of course, you have the S, which makes it a little bit different. So you have jets. And then, of course, you have Kit and you have Vic. All right, we're going to go back over these same words in lesson number 2. All righty. Bye-bye.